Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have our 2018 Lexus GX460. This thing is awesome. I do believe 4.6 liter V8 under the hood. Drives phenomenal. Haha. Thank you. Nice. Make sure the dealerships. Oh, it's just an unknown name. Alright, we're good. Ventilated seats, heated seats. Oh, suede headliner. Sunroof. But let's go for a drive. Oh yeah, this thing is so comfortable. It's a big vehicle. I'm not gonna ignore that fact. It's massive, but visibility's great. That's a huge thing for me with vehicles of this size. Have to be able to see out of them. I can see out of this one perfect, and it's not a burden to drive. It's actually extremely comfortable. Steering wheel feels great in the hands. This one will, by the end of this video, is going to have 40,000 miles on it. Still in great shape. Try it on the cobblestone. Not bad. Plenty of torque. click over, crouch down so you guys can see it change over to 40,000. Some people love that. There it is. Oh, these things are just so luxurious. My first time driving one of these things. I don't know what platform this is on, though. I know the LX is the same as the Land Cruiser. Maybe Sequoia platform? That might be what it is. Maybe the Sequoia platform? Because at first I thought it was Forerunner, and I'm like, no, Sequoia actually would probably make more sense. Yeah, the LX is on the Sequoia platform. This one's a Land. I don't know. This one might be the Land Cruiser. I don't know. Probably should have looked that up, but I didn't know if I was going to drive this today or not. So if I sat there and researched every car I could possibly drive on the lot, I would know less than I know now. So oh, you know what? I'll go to the next one. That was my turn, but whatever. That's what I get for looking at an FJ Cruiser. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.